Oh! Lots of stuff knocked over. Everybody looks okay over here. Chair flip. We got debris. Oh! My big bush that I need to trim is like, that's crazy, because why? It's like, it's leaning over the opposite way. That must have been a weird wind. Yeah! Wow! Okay, so this is crazy, because these are, look at, they're laying in different directions, like it's whipping around the house. These guys are leaning this way. Look at all that washout sand. Man. This bush is leaning on my hibiscus. Look at that guy. He's doing good. Flooding. Look at that. We've got bushes leaning 3 different directions. Now let's go check the veggies. Look at our little river. All the leaves are going this way. This one doesn't have near as much water in it. But look at this. Oh my goodness. The melons. The melons are sprouting. Oh my gosh. So exciting. Whoa. This was empty. So I laid the wood at like a bridge over the corn to try and protect it some. Same with these. You hear how wet it is. So we got some of my pepper sprouts in there. And there's more pepper sprouts. That's broccoli and hibiscus. And I think that may be an onion, or that's a little weed. But there's definitely a couple banana pepper sprouts. Tiny. So when I put this wood here to hold it down,